Hello and welcome to the Daniel Man of Reason channel. Today I'm going to give you an example of how the id, ego, and superego would interact in real life. So let's say you had some homework to do. Now you have the id, you have the ego, and the superego. Now the id is all about pleasure, immediate gratification. So when you go to do your homework, you'll have thoughts like, why would I do homework? I don't even like doing homework. So the id is going to put pressure on you to do something else that's more pleasurable. Like say, for example, go on social media or watch shows and movies, whatever it is that you find more pleasurable. That's what the id does. Puts pressure on you to do something pleasurable, and if you do that more pleasurable thing, it gives you a feeling of release. So that's the id. Now on the other side you have the superego. Now the superego is basically your morality. So the superego is going to try to convince you to actually do your homework. It's going to give you thoughts like, I should really do my homework, it's the right thing to do. Doing my homework will help me to get a career and be a productive member of society, and that's the right thing to do. So that's what the superego is going to try to pressure you into. Now, the way the superego will pressure you is, it will reward you with pride if you do what it wants. So for example, you do your homework, then you feel like, wow, I am such an amazing student. Basically, that's how it would be. Then, if you don't do what it wants, it will punish you with shame. So you may get to thinking, oh wow, I'm a terrible student. I should have done my homework. I'm never going to succeed, whatever it is. So that's how the superego would work. Now, in the middle, you have the ego. Now, the ego is different because it works by the reality principle. The ego is able to basically look at reality and consider, well, what really makes sense? Should I do my homework or should I not? What's in my best interest? So the ego might consider everything. It might say, well, yes, it would be more pleasurable for me to do something other than homework. However, if I don't do my homework, I might fail my class. And I also might not be able to get the career I want, etc. So the ego is what makes the decision between the two. So that's basically how it works. The id, ego, and superego. Thank you for watching.